Hey guys, it's been a few years since I've been using this bucket cord organizer, and this is obviously the best cord organizer you can find out there. Let me show it to you how it's done. So you put it to like that, and there is a few notches over here. You just plug them in like that. Also, you just pretty much giving yourself slack to plug it in into the outlet. You can give yourself more or less. So then all you have to do is just pretty much stand on over here and all in the wire. How cool is that? And you're ready to go. Whenever you need to untie it, you just grab on that and just twist it, and it will untwist the wire. So twisted the wire, then you take this out, you plug it in into a plug. Pretty easy to remove it, put a different one. I'm actually gonna go put it into this hole instead. Give myself some slack. Reset it is really easy. This is still the best cord organizer, and this is why after a few years this cord haven't went bad and still look like new, because every time I use it I just hold it in back into a bucket like that, and then spin all the wire. All you guys can see. This is only like 25 feet, I think. Once you're done, you just lock it in like that, so this cord will not go anywhere. Put it away. Love this cord organizer. I need a longer cord because it's not even touching the surface how much more cord we can fill it in. And this is a thick cord too.